How to crochet a wave ruffle stitch. So first you want to attach your yarn. I attached my yarn with a slip stitch. And then you will chain 2. And in that same stitch, you will place 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3. In the next stitch, you will place 2 double crochets. 1, and then 2. In the next stitch, you would place 3 double crochets. So 1, and then 2, and then 3. So you would just repeat that pattern until you get to the end. And it will start to look like a wave. The more stitches you put into one stitch, the more ruffle it will be. So once we're at the end, we'll chain 2 and then turn our work. Now we will just place 1 double crochet into each stitch. You will repeat round 2 for however many rounds you would want for your project. Ruffle stitches are perfect for hats and bralettes and borders. I have used it for bucket hats and my bralettes as well. You can use this ruffle stitch paired up with one of my bralette patterns. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.